Hi, this is Frank with FastCall. In this video, I'll walk you through FastCall's voicemail drop feature. This is a simple feature that disconnects you from an outbound call and plays a pre-recorded message to the recipient. The main use case is when you reach a voicemail box. You can trigger a voicemail drop and move on to your next call while FastCall places the message in the recipient's voicemail for you. In this example, I'm going to call my mobile phone on speaker from Salesforce. I'll then answer it and pretend to be the voicemail box, and trigger the voicemail drop from the FastCall widget. This way, we'll be able to hear how the voicemail drop works. Hi, you've reached Frank Evans. Please leave a message after the tone. Thanks. Hi, this is Frank from FastCall. Sorry I missed you. Please call me back. Thanks. If we take a look at the call record for this call, we can see that the call result is left VM, Frank VM. And that's it for FastCall's voicemail drop feature.